Before you install the ink cartridges, you'll need to clean the ink slots and ink heads. This will make sure that you don't get clogs the first time out, and remove any debris or dirt from the slots that may have gotten there during shipping. First, make sure the waste cartridge is in position. Then open up the utility software where the ink filling wizard should pop up automatically. Follow the instructions of the wizard and choose the ink type that you'll be using from the available choices. Next, it will ask you to insert the dummy cartridges into 4 of the slots and the cleaning cartridge into the remaining slot on the left. Use the included jig to insert the dummy cartridges properly. Click Next and the washing will start automatically, and just follow the prompts to move the cleaning cartridge to each slot so all of the ink slots get washed. After the washing process, the wizard will tell you to insert all of the CMYK cartridges into the appropriate slots, and the ink filling will begin automatically.